Okay, all right. So I don't think you'll be able to see my face here, but not like you don't know what I look like. All right. So in this hopefully very short lesson, we're gonna talk about measurement conversion. All right. Meaning this. So the reason why I'm even putting this online rather than doing it in class is because first of all, this is a very short topic and it's nothing you can do because we're still doing proportions here. However, usually on the state test, all right, and all this information is available online because they put all state exam questions there. You won't, if you get one question on this topic, all right, uh, you'll be lucky because it's not a very popular topic, all right, on the test. So I don't want to devote too much class time to doing this. Now, however, although you know how to use proportions already, what's more important is that you know how to use the reference sheet from the state exam. So, because on the state exam, they will give you formulas. All right. It's in the back of the booklet. I know we're doing it on the computer, but I don't know exactly the format. So, in case, all right, if there's even a electronic version of a reference sheet, all right, you need to know how to use it. So, typically, the reference sheet is on the second to last page of the booklet that you work with on the state exam. And on this reference sheet, on the top, you will see all these measurements and their conversions. As you can see, it says conversions here. All right. And then afterwards, what you will see underneath are formulas for like shapes, like, area of a triangle, things like that. Okay. And that changes year to year. So this is the one from last year, from 2023 state test. Okay. Again, it's totally available online. And so these are the conversions, all right? So we're looking at yards, miles, cup, pint, quart, gallon, liter, so on and so forth, okay? So let's see what the questions look like. So let's jump right into it. So the lesson here, all right, and I'm going to keep this up here. So because we need to use this as a reference. So here, the lesson is this. How do we convert one unit into another? That's it. Okay, so here we already have a conversion. 1 yard is 3 feet. So what we're going to do is use proportions to solve these questions to find out what 36 feet would be in yards. Okay, now we're going to do it extremely close to the way we do it in class. So here we're comparing feet to yards. So I'm going to set up the proportion word problem. So these are still word problems. All right, believe it or not. So here, so let me now. So what I need to do right now is learn how to use this to find the conversion from feet to yard, which is right here, actually. Right. So 3 feet is 1 yard. Right. So the question is, how many yards is 36 feet? Right, like that. Now, I know you know the answer already for some of you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross multiply. So that's 36 times 1. That would be 36. 3 times x is 3x. Divide both sides by 3. X would be 12. And there's our first answer. Okay? So, in other words, if 1 yard is 3 feet, 12 yards is 36 feet. Right? See? Very straightforward, actually. But it's something that we need to cover nonetheless. So, let's do these three real quick. I'll let you practice, show you the answers, and then that's it. Okay? All right. Let's see. Actually, I won't show you the answers because I'll see if I have time to experiment with this new app that allows you to watch the video and for me to ask you the questions inside the video. So that way I can check to see who's paying attention and who's not. All right. So I'm not going to put the answers in the video actually because I want to give myself that option. Okay. Now let's try the next one. All right. 6 cups. All right, is how many ounces? So I'm gonna look at cups and ounces. All right, so here we're looking at this fluid ounce. All right, so okay, now so we're comparing cups to ounces. All right, set them up proportion. Now, if 1 cup is 8 ounces, 6 cups is how many ounces? All right, so again, we cross multiply. So 1 times x, that's just 1x. All right, so that's nice. 8 times 6 is 48. And that's it. So 6 cups is 48 ounces. All right, let's do a couple more. All right, very short and very quick, right? So that's nice. All right, now let's do a couple more. I got to scroll down a little bit. For this one, feet and miles, let's see, that's right here. feet and miles. So I'm going to set it up. I'll just do it in the order that they present it. Doesn't have to be a unit rate where 1 is at the bottom, right? So even though this is going to be. So 5280, 5,280 feet is 1 mile. So 10,560 feet is how many miles? Now I'm going to go to my calculator to do this. I already know the answer, actually. So maybe I don't. All right. So I'm going to cross multiply. So that's 5280x is equal to 1 times this number is the same number. Divide both sides by 5280. So x is 2. That's it. Okay, 2 miles. All right, got it? If I'm going too fast, you can repeat this and watch this again. All right, now I'm gonna ask you to press pause right now and try this one on your own. All right. So that way we can go over one question together before you do the other ones for practice. All right, so try this one right now. So that's T stands for tons. All right, the LB here stands for pounds. So go for it. Okay, so press pause right now and try it. All right, and when you're ready, press unpause. So press pause right now. Okay, all right, so let's see. Let's set it up. So we're comparing tons to pounds. All right, so let's see. 1 ton, all right, is 2,000 pounds. And so 5.8 tons is how many pounds, right? That's the question. So let's see, 1 times x is x. And then we're just going to do 5.8 times 2,000. Let me get my calculator. 5.8 times 2,000. 1, okay, 11,600. Like that. Okay, all right, that's it. So is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so right now I'm going to scroll down and let you try these. Now, for your benefit, I also left the reference sheet up here for you to look at inside this video, so you don't have to like actually look at a piece of paper. All right, so try these 4 questions here. Use this reference sheet here, and then yeah, all right. No need to press pause because I'm not going to put the answers in here. Okay, and if you got questions, you can find me on next during Wednesday mornings, anyways, for extra help. You know what I'm saying? So, and hopefully, it's not too hard for you. So, okay, all right. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna sign out now. Okay, that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good break. I will see you guys later. Okay. All right. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.